Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be baking oats and honey cookies. And to make these cookies, you will need the following ingredients. You will need 1 cup of oats. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk. And then after your cookies are already made, you're going to add some sugar on each cookie once they're already baked. You will also need a rolling pin. And so let's get into the video and let's get these cookies going. The first ingredient that I am going to add into my bowl is 1 cup of oats. And then I am going to add 1/4 cup of honey. Okay, so I added my 1/4 cup of honey. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk into my mixture. Once you have the 2 tablespoons of milk in your bowl, the next thing is going to be mix the ingredients all up. Once the mixture is all mixed in, and then you're going to form it into a ball. Okay, now I already formed my mixture into a ball. So now I am going to sprinkle some of the flour on this cutting board. And you can do this on a flat surface if you like, because you'll be using the rolling pin and you'll be making the mixture flat with the rolling pin. So once you have the flour on your cutting board or flat surface, and then you're going to put the mixture on there, and then you're going to flatten out the mixture. Okay, so now I have the mixture already mixed and formed into a ball. So now I am just going to get small pieces, form it into a ball, and then we're going to place it on a baking pan. And it's best if you use a non-sticking pan, so that way the cookies won't get stuck to the pan. Or you can use a cooking spray if you like. And once you place the cookies on the baking pan, just put them like maybe 2 inches apart from each other. And you can just make them like a little flat like this. Form it into a ball first and then place it in your cooking pan there. Okay, so now I have all my mixture mixed in, put it on a pan, and now these cookies are ready to be put in the oven. But just make sure that you preheat the oven at 350, and you're going to bake these cookies for about 10 minutes. Check them to make sure they're done if they're not done, and then you can add an additional 5 more minutes. So I will see you back when the cookies are made. Okay, I just removed my cookies out of the oven. It's been 10 minutes. And now, since the cookies are hot, I place them on a plate. And then now I'm just going to sprinkle some sugar on top of the cookies on each one. And the best time to do this is when the cookies are just taken out of the oven because they're still kind of warm. And then the sugar will sit on those cookies really nicely and they'll be ready to eat. Well, here are the cookies, and these are the honey oats cookies that I made today. And you can have these cookies with a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or just by itself. And please check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos on cooking and crocheting. I have from good recipes like main dishes, drinks, fruit drinks. So don't forget to check out my videos as well as my playlist. And let me know what you think about these cookies, and I will see you next time.